Welcome to this series of compilations of tree work fails. Tree work often goes wrong. Sometimes people are stupid, unaware of the situation and risks, untrained, reckless, or just plain unlucky. Sometimes the tree itself fails. Whatever the reason, watch carefully and learn from it so you don't make the same mistakes or hire a professional. I hope this video will help raise awareness and therefore reduce accidents in this dangerous profession. If you are the original owner of a video and would like credit for it, please email me at info@primarygarden.nl.
Oh,
Heads up!
heads up! He got knocked. Yeah, the one in the red hat got knocked.
Go.
Kilo. Quita la escalera.
Kuka hiệu quả thuốc thì thích của cha Kuka. Ác ra đi pa. Ác ra đi. Oh man. Yeah, I almost broke my nose. Oh.
What happened?
Oh.
What hit you?
If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. When you get knocked down, you gotta get back up. I ain't the sharpest knife in
Holy shit. You okay, fool? Here, I got in tape.
Jay, watch your head, because you've nowhere to run. Oh, Jay, shit.
Hey!
Thanks for watching and be safe. See you next time. Thanks for watching and be safe. See you next time.